welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in Luludo, Lutissima. I'll just buy the vegetables for tomorrow so that I don't need to go out again tomorrow. Anyway, I need to go home now because I need to cook lunch. May minuto guys, I just fried the chicken. I'm gonna cook fried chicken today. They have a nice light here, that's why my face color pink. Like the small shop down. Okay? If you are tourist here, you can buy the souvenir here in this mall. They're selling sa you know what I like in this mall? The painting in the wall. They have a nice painting in the wall. Anyway guys, see all the painting. Okay? The painting in the wall. Painting in the wall. If you like my video, don't forget to click like at leave a comment or suggestion. Of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Ayan, the souvenir. Falcon bird. I was thinking of falcon bird. You have a nice painting in the wall. Bye guys. Happy Wednesday and enjoy your day. I need to go home now because I need to cook lunch. Bye.